Welcome back, guys, to another video of Jar is More. Today we'll be cooking some quiche. Hopefully it's delicious. I'm kidding, of course it will be delicious. We're going to be making from scratch, so without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first thing you want to do is grab your quiche bowl, quiche plate. Get the quiche thing. It looks small. Oh, we're gonna put it in our quiche bowl. All right, set that aside. For the pastry, we will need plain flour, unsalted butter, bit of salt, and some water. Why the heck are there so many birds flying over? Oh my. Okay, so we're going to grab a glass bowl. Shut up, birds. Just grab the scales. Place the bowl on the scales. Once the scales stop, reset it. We're going to need 250 grams of plain flour. That's 250 on the dot. Okay, now we need half a teaspoon of salt. That half teaspoon you just chuck in there. You can take this off there. Need the scales again. We'll need 120 grams of butter, unsalted butter. Okay, watch this, 120 grams. I'm gonna guess it's about, ooh, I'll go there. Ready? Bro, are you kidding me? Bro. You know I'm a chef when I get 3 grams off of 120. Just as a chef, you just know. It's just the instinct. You just know as a chef. You know. Anyway, we'll grab 3 more grams. All you have to do is get rid of the scales now, without breaking it. Chuck the flour in there. Chuck the butter in there. Chuck the butter in there, and that's it. You've made your pastry. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now you got to get your hands, make sure they're washed, and start just, combining the butter and flour. This is how I used to mash my Wheat Bix, but I'm saying that because I haven't had Wheat Bix for a while actually. So yeah, lol. I forgot to say something. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Grab like a cup of water, and while mixing, just add like little bits of water at a time, and then combine it to make the crust. So, gonna add a bit of water, just like a little bit like that, and just mix all the crust through that. Oh, yum! Gonna grab this tray thingy, spray it with some oil. Grab a spoon and chuck that in there. Now we're just gonna flatten it out. Use like an egg flip thingy. Hey, that's kind of working. No, it's not. So now that's what our pastry should look like in the bowl, up to all the edges, squished out, and we'll leave that there. Okay, grab your knife, grab your onion. I'm using half a brown onion, but obviously it's not brown. Obviously it's not brown anymore because I peeled the skin off, so it's white. Ooh, follow the lines, as they always say, because we just want to dice the onion. Turn it around that way, and just now get it close up. Just Now, just break it up into all the little cubes. Hand on the front of the knife. And then with the back of the knife, we're just gonna move it. And I like to move it. Chop everything up, dice it. After washing my knife, I'm gonna grab 5 bits of bacon. And watch this. Little life hack for you guys. Place all 5 bits of bacon onto each other and watch this. You've never heard of this before. Cut all 5 bits of bacon like this. Turn the chopping board and you get cubes of 5 different bits of bacon. That simple. Look at that, all cubes, done, easy, fast, life hack. Someone sponsor me, please. Now we're gonna heat up a frying pan like this. It's on. Now we're gonna get the spray and spray our little pan here. Scratch that. We're gonna heat olive oil in the pan. It will probably taste yummier. So chuck some oil in there. Heat that oil up and then add our bacon and onion. It's been heating up for a while. We're gonna grab our onion and bacon and add both in at the same time. Oh, obviously it hasn't been heating for a while. It's not as loud as I was hoping. This one's going to be a lot hotter. Let's move this little pumpkin. Close-up action.
Hello there.
So now I've got a spatula. I'll just start to stir that onion and bacon for about 3 minutes on this high heat, or until you see the onions start to go clear and like transparent. Let's get cooking. Bro, just hurry up and cook. Also, word of warning, these onions really hurt your eyes. So either chew bubble gum or like, I don't know, just do something that doesn't hurt your eyes. And don't do this. That also hurts and not safe. Okay, my bacon has been, and onion has been cooking. Oh, it's starting to spit, so that's time to turn it off. The heat. Gonna grab a plate with paper towels, set that over there, and just transfer all of this onto the paper towel. After that has been, paper toweling, take the paper towels out, and we're just gonna add that to the bottom of our pastry. Just spread it out across the bottom. As well as the bacon and onion, gonna add some tasty cheese and just cover that with some cheese. In a jug, we're gonna add 5 eggs. Yeah, if you wanna get them, they'll be good. Oh my. Guys, you won't even believe. It has my initials on there.
Wow.
You know, when you're famous, you'll get your initials on eggs too. There we go, all 5 eggs have been cracked. We're gonna add a teaspoon of plain flour. Easy does it. 300 mils of thickened cream, apparently, yeah. Grab this jug's little baby brother and, oh my. Grab 300 mils of that. I see the 300 mil line. And 300 mils of that. Add the little brother to the big brother. Oh, nice. It's quite fascinating. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of milk in there, salt and pepper, nicely. Now just give that a good whisk and combine it all. NANI? Now we're going to grab this and pour it into this mixture. Oh, perfect. All we're going to do is open our oven and chuck this bad boy in there. Oh. See you in a minute. Bake him for about 30 to 35 minutes. So now you just clean up while you wait. It's been about 35 minutes in the oven. Just gonna let it cool and then we can eat it. Time to try the quiche. That's very good. The crust isn't dry and it's nice and moist. So I would say it's a successful quiche. It's nice quiche. Try some. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't. And peace out.